If your Google Chrome browser is currently showing in French and you want to switch it back to English, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. It's a quick fix, and once you know where the language setting is, it becomes really easy to change Chrome to the language you're comfortable with. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. If your browser is in French, you'll need to click the three dots menu, which is called trois points. This menu contains the main Chrome options, including the settings you need to change the browser language. From the menu, click Paramètres, which means Settings. That will open the Chrome settings page. If you're trying to follow along in French, don't worry, because the layout is still the same, even if the words are different. You're just looking for the language section. Now, in the left sidebar of Chrome settings, click Langue, which means Languages. This is where Chrome lets you manage the languages used for the browser interface, website translation, and preferred display language. Once you open this section, you'll see your current language settings and the option to add a new language. Next, under Langue préférée, or Preferred Languages, click Ajouter des langues. This means Add Languages. A list of available languages will appear. In the search box, type English. You should then see options like English United States or English United Kingdom. Choose the version you want, and then click Ajouter to add it to Chrome. After that, English will appear in your language list. Now it's time to make it the display language for Chrome. Find English in the list and click the three dots next to it. A small menu will appear with several options. Look for Afficher Google Chrome dans cette langue, which means Show Google Chrome in this language. Click that option to tell Chrome to use English as the main interface language. Once you select that option, Chrome will usually ask you to restart the browser. You'll see a button that says Relancer, which means Relaunch. Click Relancer so Chrome can close and reopen with the new language applied. After it restarts, the browser interface should now be in English. If it doesn't change right away, just make sure you selected the correct English option and that you relaunched Chrome after setting it as the display language. In most cases, that's all it takes. Your menus, settings, and browser interface should now appear in English instead of French. And that's how you change Chrome language from French to English in just a few simple steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.